Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Before we start our revision, I would
Good
like
morning, ma'am.
to inform you that the last revision, we had conducted the revision of the first lesson, that is
The foolish fish.
yes, the foolish fish, and almost everyone scored very good marks. So very happy to see that. I was going through the marks of all the students, except for a very few students, all have scored. Most of them have scored 10 on 10, and some of them have lost just 1 mark or 2 mark. Okay, so very happy
Ma'am, I
to
came now.
very happy to say that, and I expect the same response in this revision test too. Okay, so I hope you all have revised the lesson thoroughly and also studied the notes, right? Did you all
Yes.
study the notes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, fine.
Well prepared.
So,
Well
prepared. Okay, fine. Very good. So, as we always do, we'll do the oral revision first. We'll do the oral revision and then I'll send you the link of the test. Okay. And this time,
Okay, ma'am.
and this time you have 20 questions from this lesson. I told you last time this is a lengthy lesson. It's a long story. So, of course, I have to ask you more questions. So, this time you're going to answer 20 questions. Okay. Okay. So, get ready. And I hope you don't have your book open in front of you. Oh, even if it is there, it doesn't matter. But make sure that you answer the questions loudly, okay, and confidently. If you don't know the answer, please tell that, I don't know, ma'am, I have not studied, so that I can pass the question to other person. Don't waste the time. The first question, finding the man cub is adapted from which book? Yes, Anika Ishwar. Yes, Anika, you can answer. Yes. This story, Finding the Man Cub, is adapted from which novel or which book? No response from Anika, so I'm passing on the question to Arshika. Please listen to the answer. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Jungle Book.
Yes, the Jungle Book. The answer is the Jungle Book. So, Finding the Man Cub story is adapted from the famous novel or famous story, the Jungle Book. Very good, Ashika. Now, the next question, who is the author of the Jungle Book? Meenakshi, Anup, what are you busy eating there? Who is the author of the Jungle Book? Sanvia.
Ma'am,
Yes. What's the name of the author? There should not be such a lag in answering. Answer should come spontaneously. Jyoti Lakshmi.
Rudyard Kipling.
And
Yes. Yes, Jyoti.
Rudyard Kipling.
Rudyard Kipling. I guess Sanvia was about to answer. She was about to give the same answer. I heard something, but she was not very confident about it. So, Sanvia, remember the Jungle Book is written by the famous author Rudyard Kipling. Okay, don't forget. Fine. Now, who is the man cub in this story? Who is the man cub in the story? Suvrit, can you tell me the name of the man cub?
Man cub.
Huh? What's the name of the man cub? Who is the man cub in the story? Suvrit, such an easy question. Deva? Yes, Deva. Mowgli. Suvrit, what is the answer? Mowgli.
Mowgli.
Yes, Mowgli is the name of the man cub. Okay, fine. Next. The next question, what shone into the cave? What shone into the cave? Who will give me the answer? What shone into the cave? Jonath.
The moon.
Very good. The moon shone into the cave where the wolf family lived. Very good, Jonath. Now the next question. See, soon after you answer the question, you have to mute your audio. Okay. Then, why didn't the other animals like the jackal? Why didn't the other animals like the jackal? Yes, Abigail.
He used to tell tales and make mischiefs.
Very good. Perfect answer. The jackal used to tell tales. What do you mean by tell tales? He used to make up stories. Tales means stories. And make mischief. What do you mean by mischief, Abigail?
Crashing trouble.
Exactly. Very good. Causing trouble. Create trouble for others is called mischief. So he used to create troubles as well as tell stories. That is the reason why nobody liked the jackal. Suvrit, I hope you are listening. Listen to all the questions and answers, Suvrit, okay? Fine. Then, next question. Who told the wolves about Sher Khan? Who told the wolves about Sher Khan? Ishan.
Jackal.
Very good. Perfect answer. The jackal told Sher Khan, the jackal told the wolves about Sher Khan. Now, the next one. Who was Sher Khan's prey? Who was Sher Khan's prey? Niranjan.
The man cub.
The man cub. And what do you mean by the word prey, Niranjan?
An animal is hunted for food.
Exactly. An animal hunted for food is called prey. And here, Sher Khan's prey was the man cub. Wonderful. Now, next question. Who spoke to Sher Khan with great anger in the end of the story? Netik. Who spoke to Sher Khan with great anger? Please unmute your audio. Sorry, please unmute. Netik, unmute. Yes.
The mother wolf.
Exactly. The mother wolf spoke to Sher Khan with great anger in the end. Very good. Now, next question. Why was the baby not scared? Why was the baby not scared? Ardhar.
Because they didn't know.
Because he's
They would eat them.
Who is this they? I'm asking about the baby.
Wolf.
Listen to the question, Ardhar. Why was the baby not scared of the wolves? Answer to the point.
Because baby did not know.
Yes.
Because he is so small.
Yes, the baby was too small to understand that the wolves are wild animals. He was too small and innocent. He did not know that the wolves were wild animals and they might attack him. So he was not at all scared. Very good. Now, why did Sher Khan roar like thunder? Shiva Shankaran. Why did Sher Khan roar like thunder?
he was angry.
He was angry. Why was he angry, Shiva? Why was he angry?
He didn't give the cup.
Yes, the wolves did not return him the man cub. So he was very, very angry and he roared like thunder. The cave filled like thunder, right? His roar filled the cave like thunder. Very good. Yes. Next one. I want someone to give me the antonym of the word vanish. Yes, Meenakshi. What is the antonym of the word vanish?
Appeared.
Appear. Yes, that's it. So children, the antonym means opposite. Antonym of vanish. Vanish is Appear. Okay, appear. Yes. Next, what is the meaning of the word thrust? And this question goes to Rebecca.
Ma'am,
Yes.
push with
Push with
force.
exactly. Push with force. Thrust means push with force. Remember, Sher Khan thrust his head and shoulders into the cave. Okay, so push with force is thrust. Exactly. Now, very good. The next question, Kevin, what is the one word of the meaning causing trouble?
Mischief.
Very good. Causing trouble. We already heard that from somebody told that answer, right? Causing trouble is mischief. Yes, exactly. Now, the next question is, Sarah, what is the past tense of the word slide?
Slit.
Slid. Spelling?
S-L-I.
S-L-I-D. Yes, exactly. That's it. So past tense of slide is slid. Okay, slid. S-L-I-D. Slid is the past tense of slide. Very good. Yes. Now, next question to Meenakshi Anup. Meenakshi Anup. All others, please mute your audio. Meenakshi Anup, please unmute your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Where is the story based? In which place? Is it in a city or in a village or in a jungle?
Jungle.
Jungle, yes. The story is based in a jungle or a forest. Very good. The next question, Janisa. Yes, yes, mute. Soon after answering, you can mute. Okay. Janisa, how many cubs did the wolf family have?
3 cups.
How many cubs?
3.
3 cubs. Is that right? Did you read the text properly?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Joshua, how many cubs did the wolf family had? Yes, Joshua, you can answer. How many cubs were there? 4. Janisa, 3 is wrong. They had 4 cubs. 4 squealing cubs. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, 4 cubs. Next. The next question, okay, to Janisa again. How was Sher Khan? How was Sher Khan? Yes. How was his behavior? How was his nature? Do you know the answer, Janisa?
No.
No. Who can give me the answer? Yes, Meenakshi. How was Sher Khan?
Sher Khan was not
He was not?
careful about other animals.
It's not careful, my dear. It's he did not care about other animals. Okay. He did not bother about other animals and he did not bother about the law of the jungle. Okay, very good. So Sher Khan was very cruel. He was very cunning and he never cared for other animals. Next question is, the man cub was finally raised by whom? Who brought up the man cub? Ihan.
Ma'am.
Yes. Who took care of the man cub and brought him up?
The wolves.
The wolves. Exactly. The wolves brought up, or the baby was raised by the wolves. Very good. Next question goes to Parvana. Parvana, did you get a chance?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, fine. So the question is, what is the one word of the meaning made soft crackling sound?
Present.
Exactly. Made soft crackling sound. The word is, or the one word is rustled. R-U-S-T-L-E-D. Rustled is the word. Very good, Paruna. Now, next. What is the antonym of the word forward? Jiva. Jiva, your video is turned off.
Yes, ma'am.
Please turn on your video. Yes, Jiva. So what is the antonym of the word forward?
Backward.
Exactly. Forward, antonym is, the antonym of forward is backward. Okay, backward. You remember, the mother stepped forward to speak to Sher Khan. So the opposite or the antonym of forward is backward. Okay. Now, next question. What is the antonym of the word close by? Close by. I want someone who has not got the chance. Steny?
Ma'am.
Close by. Antonym of close by.
Far away.
Exactly. Close by. Antonym is close
Far
by.
away.
Antonym is far away. Far away. Don't think about the word like open and all, right? Because just because you see the word close, it has got nothing to do with the word open in the opposite, because close by, the meaning of the word close by is nearby. Okay, so obviously the antonym of that word is far away, right? Now, what is the past tense of the word catch? Vaishnav. See, some of you have turned off the video. I request all of you to turn on the video. Keep your videos on. Yes, Vaishnav, what is the past tense of the word catch?
Caught.
Spelling?
CAUGHT.
Exactly. C-A-U-G-H-T.
Ma'am,
Caught.
can mute.
Caught. Yes, you can mute. Caught is the past tense of the word catch. And what about wake? W-A-K-E. Wake. I would like to ask this question to Fajis. Fajis, turn on your video.
W-O-K-E.
Yes, woke. W-O-K-E, woke. I don't know who said that answer. Fajis has not unmuted his audio and I could hear the answer from somewhere. Sahil? So, children, please note the past tense of the word wake is woke. Okay, W-O-K-E. Mohammed Sahil, sorry, please unmute. Please unmute. Yes. Sahil, what is the one word of the meaning making a long cry?
Squealing.
Exactly. Squealing is the answer. Very good. Now, the last question. What do you mean by the word leftovers? Leftovers. Yes, Jonath?
Food that is left unfinished.
Exactly. The food that is left unfinished is called leftovers, right? So with that, we have completed we have covered all the questions from that lesson. And I hope now you are ready for the revision test. Are you all ready for the revision test? Yes? Shall I send the link now? So 20 questions, and children, I request you not to answer the questions in a hurry and submit the response immediately. You take time, okay? You take enough time for reading each question and reading the options before clicking on the options. And remember, before you click on the submit, go back, scroll up, and make sure, be very careful with your fingers. Make sure that you don't click on the submit by mistake. Okay, so please close your textbook, notebook, keep it aside. Ready? Okay. Yes, I've sent the link. Abel Joseph, you are in the wrong class. If there is anyone out there who did not receive the link or have any doubt regarding any question, please unmute your audio. Please unmute your audio and ask, okay? Arthur Martin.
Ma'am, can you give your number? I can call you, but I cannot sign in. Last class I
Yes.
told you.
But
I cannot
after that, why didn't you fix that? Why didn't you log into your account after that? I told you, it's just because you have not logged into your account.
I logged into my account, but I don't know my password.
Okay, then do you have your WhatsApp? Do you have the WhatsApp number now?
No WhatsApp number.
If you have the WhatsApp number, please put it in the chat box.
WhatsApp number. I need to ask to my mother. I don't know.
You should be ready for it, Arthur. Last time also it
I
happened.
have my mobile number.
Shall I send the link to that number?
Link. No,
Will you be
you
able?
can.
Will you be able to open the link in that number? That's my question.
No, I think.
Ma'am, I have Arthur's mother's number.
Yes, Shivshankaran?
I have Arthur's mother's number.
I didn't get you.
Shiv Shankar has my mother's number.
Huh. And you don't know your mother's number. If there is any number into which I can send you the link, WhatsApp number, please put it in the chat box. The same thing happened last time, Arthur. You should have done something about it.
Ma'am, I'll send my personal number. You can call it. Otherwise, I need your number.
I cannot call now. I need.
In evening it is okay.
Okay.
Number.
Can I say the fourth question?
Fourth question, sure. Choose the one word of the meaning made soft crackling sound. Look at the words. Please mute your audio. Please mute your audio. Once you clear your doubt, please mute your audio.
Use the link.
Yes.
And we didn't get the link.
Okay, I'll send it again.
And third one.
Just a moment. Please wait. Third one. What is the antonym of the word close by? Look at the options and click on the right answer. Netik, what happened?
Ma'am, can you show in first question? I can answer in my mind.
Sanvia, if you have any doubt regarding any question, please do ask me. Okay. Sorry? And please make sure that you keep your audio unmuted. Sorry, muted. Netik?
Ma'am,
Huh.
ma'am, can you send the link?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, welcome. Huh, Fajis, already submitted. Too fast.
He lost 2 marks.
Don't do 20. Okay, very good. Very good. I don't want anyone to do that immediately, okay? Don't submit your answers in a haste. You are likely to lose marks if you are
Fajis
doing
lost
it.
2 marks.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, can you read
Yeah.
17th question?
17th question, sure. 17th question.
Ma'am, I got full mark.
Just a moment, just a moment. The baby named Mowgli was raised by dash. The baby named Mowgli was raised by dash.
Ma'am, 20th question, can you read?
20th. The baby pushed his way to come closer to the dash. The baby pushed his way to come closer to the dash.
Ma'am, 11th.
11th.
He did not
Stay
care
silent,
about
stay silent. If you have any
Mute your
doubt, please
audio.
unmute. Yes, mute your audio.
Otherwise, when you tell the answer, otherwise you'll hear and click it on it.
Yes, 11th question. Choose the one word for the meaning causing trouble. One word for the meaning causing trouble. Vanished, mischief, squealing. Yes?
Ma'am, Steny got 20 out of 20.
Very good. Congratulations, Tenny.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am. It was Ma'am, Jyoti got 8 out of 20.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes?
Jyoti got 18 out of 20.
What happened, Jyoti? Where did you lose the 2 marks despite doing the revision? And all the questions that we have today in this revision test are the questions that we already discussed, right? Then how did you get confused again? And read the options for the 14th question carefully. What was the law of the jungle? One cannot change his hunting area without warning. All must hunt their own food. The jackal can feast on the kills of other animals. Recollect the points from the story and click on the right answer. Yes.
Ma'am, I can live.
No, you're not supposed to. How was Sher Khan? Look at the options. What did the jackal find in the cave to eat? A
Ma'am,
bone,
Niranjan got.
eggs, a chicken. Yes? Who is that?
Ma'am, Niranjan got
Ah,
20
What?
out of 19.
Not 20 out of 19, my dear. 19 out of 20.
19 out of 20.
Okay, okay. Very good.
I have got 20 out of 20.
Yes, the
Ma'am,
last
can
question.
you
Look at the last question. Which one?
When I got 20 out of 20.
Very good. Somebody asked me to read some question. Which is that? Which question number?
20.
20. Choose the missing letter in dash. That's a word from the story. And one letter is missing. Choose from the options. O, W, V. Which letter, when filled up in that word, in that missing space, will give you a particular word?
Ma'am, Abigail got 20 out of 20.
Very good, Abigail. Choose the past tense of wake. 10th question. Past tense of the word shine. Meaning of the word thrust. Is there anyone who did not submit the response or finding it difficult? Okay, Abigail did it. And Anika, answer the questions carefully, okay? And what about Sarah? Sarah Thomas?
Ma'am?
Yes, did you submit your response?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the score?
19 out of 20.
19 out of 20, okay. Sanvia, what about you? Do you have any doubt regarding any question? Sanvia?
Ma'am?
Do you have any doubt regarding any question? See, if you have any doubt, please don't hesitate to ask, okay? Don't simply guess and click on the wrong answers and lose your marks. Did you submit your response?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, but I get 17.
17. That means you made 3 mistakes. And
Ma'am,
children,
I got 19 out of 20.
19 out of 20. Not bad. You could have easily scored 20 on 20, right? Because all the questions are very simple and you have studied everything. You know the answers.
also got 19 out of 20.
19 out. Why are you losing 1 mark, 2 marks? See, in the revision test, you are not supposed to lose any mark. You are supposed to get
Okay,
full
ma'am.
marks.
I mean, I got full mark. Because I think they did not study.
Are there anyway next time when you come for the class, I want you to be ready for the revision. You should be able to open the link and submit the response. Otherwise, you'll be sitting simply in the class.
I think my mother will come and check. Otherwise, I
But-
taught my auntie. My
Should have done
auntie
it that day, right? This happened on Tuesday. Sorry, Monday. Monday
My mother-
also where you were not able to open the. Then how did you submit the link of that lesson?
I did it in my mobile.
Ma'am,
Yes.
his
that?
mother's number is at the chat box.
You have put it in the chat box?
Yes.
Okay.
I had other. Teacher had my mother.
Anyway, I'll send the link in the group so you can do it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. So let's wind up the session.
Okay.
And next class,
I
that
got
is
20 out of
next.
20.
Okay, very good. Congratulations to all those who got full marks. Keep it up. And in the next class, that is on next Monday, coming Monday, you have to be ready with the last lesson. That is a good play. Okay, revise the lesson good play. And also you have to go through all the workbook exercises. I'll send a message in the group. So that's it. Thank you all. Bye.